morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine.
And how is your mood? Are you okay?
Yes.
I'm very glad to see you, and I'm very glad to hear you. And today we are going to speak about my country and our planet. The topic of our lesson is our planet. Open your copy books. Write down today's date. What date is it today? Yeah, Rojan, what date is it today?
The 13th of November.
Yeah, the 13th of November. And the theme of our lesson is our planet. Write down. Today we are going to speak about our country, exactly about a desert with Bahtala. We are going to read and analyze, summarize the text about Bahtala. Yeah? And of course here we can see animals and plants, about climates, yeah, of this place. Now, good luck. Let's start. At first I want to ask you, have you ever visited the area between the lake and the river Sarasu? Have you ever visited?
No.
Right? No. And okay, you haven't visited yet. Maybe you can see what can you see there. Maybe animals, maybe plants. What kind of animals can you see? Or can you imagine this place? What can you see here? Yeah, desert. You are right. Renat, you have a card. Of course, I will give you a card. A card for your answer. Yeah. It's maybe there a desert and yeah, Bahtala. Then
I think there are many snakes.
yeah, there are many snakes. Oh, yeah. Now let's continue. Now I have, as I told you, that we are going to read it today, and the pre-reading task is building background knowledge. Look at these photos. What are these animals and plants? Yeah, maybe you know
Wild
the
tulip.
name. Yeah.
Wild tulip.
Wild tulip. Yeah, you are right. Then
In this picture we can see tiger antelopes and lemmings, snakes, and central.
okay, thank you. Very good answer. Yeah. Just your cards, please. Then. While reading, look at this table. We are going to read the text, yeah? At first we are going to listen it. Then we will complete this table. At first, look at this table. Location. What does mean location? Yarasıl. Location. Ne o?
Sol toprak.
Орналасқан жер. Yeah. Area. Yeah, көлемі. Қанша көлемі? Highest point. Ең жоғары нүктесі. Climate is clear, yeah, climate. Plants and animals also. Okay, let's listen. Look at, open your books on page 40. We are going to listen.
Track 1.30 from Lake Balgash to the Sarasu River.
The 15th of May. Together with two British friends and our local guide, Selik, I set off on a journey through Bedpagdala, a desert region in the south of Kazakhstan. It covers an area of about 75,000 square kilometers, almost the size of Scotland. I'd always imagined the desert as a dead springtime. Bedpagdala is full of life. I saw all sorts of plants today, like saxaul trees, wild tulips, and alhagi. Serik explained that alhagi is more than 15 meters long. The 18th of May. We've been traveling for 3 days, and we've seen lots of animals. Camels, argali, steppe lemmings, jerboa, squirrels, wolves and foxes. We step carefully through the grass, because Serik says there are snakes too. Today, we finally saw Saiga antelopes. These incredible animals are critically endangered but at night, it's almost always under 5 degrees Celsius. In summer, it's much hotter, with average temperatures of 26 degrees Celsius. In winter, the average temperature is around minus 14 degrees Celsius, and it's sometimes...
That's enough. Now look at this table. Look at this table. You are going to read the text again and complete the box on your copybooks. Yeah? Rinat, start please. Quickly read the text.
Together with two British friends and our local guide Serik, I set off on a journey through Bekpagdala, a desert region in the south of Kazakhstan. It covers an area of about 75,000 kilometers square. Almost the size of Scotland, I would always imagine the desert as a dead place, dry, dusty, covered with the skulls and bones of dead animals. But very soon after leaving the city of Balkhash, I realized how wrong I would be in the springtime, but Bekpagdala is full of life.
Okay, that's all. Damir, continue.
I saw all sorts of plants today, like saxaul trees, wild tulips, and alhagi. Serik explained that alhagi grows well in the soil because it has deep roots, and 1 meter tall plant's main root is more than 15 meters long.
Okay, Dariva, continue. The 8th May.
The 8th May, we have been traveling for 3 days and we have seen lots of animals. Camels, armadillos, steppe lemmings, jerboa, squirrels, wolves, and endangered because humans hunt them for their meat and horns. But it's not the only problem. In 2015, a deadly disease killed more than 200,000 of the tigers living in Bekpagdala. That was 60% of the global tiger population.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Aruzhan?
Marked Jammu lunchtime and decided to stop for a short break at 174 meters. It's the highest point in Bekpagdala, and the views from the top are
Breathtakingly beautiful. Sit down. That's all. Thank you. Now, I give you 2 minutes to find this information. You have read the text, and now we are going to complete the box on your copybooks. Yeah. Open your copybooks and write down location, area in short. Yeah. In short, you have to find from the text this information. Yeah. You have just 2-3 minutes. The highest point, yeah, the highest point, Mount Jambu. And you also have to write the 974 meters, yeah? Okay, let's check I think you have finished, yeah? Have you finished?
Yes.
Now, the first is location, yeah? Where is situated this desert, Uljan?
Bitpakala location is south of Kazakhstan, between Balkhash and Sarsu.
Yeah, the river Sarsu, yeah? The location of Bitpakala, yeah? You have a mistake, okay, very good. Next area, Nuray, full sentence, the area.
The area covers about 75,000 kilometers square.
Yeah, you are right. 75,000 kilometers square. Next is highest point. What is the highest point, Alim? The highest point?
The highest point Mountain Jammu.
Yeah. And how highest? How many meters? Nine. 900
974
meters. Yeah, you are right. Very good. Your card. Climate. What about the climate? Alihan, what can you say about climate? It's in winter and in summer.
Winter is cold, summer hot.
Okay, you are right. Thank you. Next, plants. What kind of plants can you meet here? Your card, Alihan. Plants. Yaroslav.
Sexual trees
Uh-huh.
and with tulips and alpine.
Alpine, yeah? Wild tulips, yeah? You are right. Very good. Thank you. Next, Bigzat. What kind of animals are there?
Camels, alligators, lemmings, jaguar, and walrus and sows.
Yeah, you are right. Wolves, foxes, yeah? Okay. Now, let's continue. Now we are going to do after reading task. After reading task is your posters. You are going to make a poster, read again the text, make a poster, give more information about the first group. You are going to make your poster to the theme animals, climate, and then you will write about plants, yeah? Now, it's the first task, yeah? Make a poster to these themes, yeah? Next task is you have to make questions according to the text, yeah? Minimum 3-4 questions to each group, okay? Okay, you have 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes to do your posters, yeah? To make your information and questions. Let's start. About climate. With pencil, with pencil. Use your pencil. Your time is up. Please, boys, I think you are ready, yeah? Amir, come here, stick your posters here, and tell about climate. Take your pen and then tell about the climate. Listen, you will assess this group, okay? And then you will assess this group, the third group.
Now in the poster we can see the weather of the Baktala Desert. There is the photo of winter the Baktala. Okay. Lights are to freezing and out in the desert. During the day it's about 20 degrees Celsius, but at night it's almost always under 5 degrees Celsius. In this photo we can see the summer of the Baktala. In the summer can be rain,
Yeah.
but rain is sometimes, not always,
Okay.
sometimes.
In summer it's much hotter, with average temperatures of 26 degrees. In winter, the average temperature is around 14 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
And it sometimes snows.
It means that in winter it's cold, in summer it's hot, yeah?
Hot.
Okay, any information about climate? Mohammed? Yeah? What is the situation? What is the location of the Baktala? Mohammed?
Big Baktala
Located
its location is
located
located is full with Big Baktala is located
geographical location.
Yeah,
In the, where is it? In the south
in the
Okay.
of Kazakhstan. In the south of Kazakhstan. And what is the highest point?
Highest point of the Baktala is Jambul Mountain at 974 meters.
Okay, thank you, very good. Your cards. And the third group, please put your mark here to their poster, yeah? Sit down. Next, here, come here. Third group. The third group, you are going to assess them, yeah? You are going to assess them. Mama, wait. Okay, you have done about animals.
We are group of animals, and now we tell you about animals and what animals live there in Big Baktala. Animals' world is wonderful and captivating for people, and studying it, there's no limit. In our world live a lot of types of animals, around 1-2 million. In Big Baktala, let's take Big Baktala. There we can meet camels, camels, steppe lemmings, snakes, and cyber antelopes.
But in the Paktala live more than 120,000 serap and antelope, representing more than a third of the global population.
Animals.
Please, we want to a lot of we found a lot of information about animals. Please, I have tell you.
Animals also
Next.
develop metabolism. They're multiform. Aeropotic organisms in the biological kingdom and animals, which with experiments animals consume organic materials.
Okay.
Very large compounds interact with each other and their environment, forming interconnected food webs. The scientific study of animals is known as soil.
No, yeah? Okay. Very good information. You have found a lot of information, not just according to the text, yeah? From another resource. Okay, thank you very much. And put your marks. But next time, don't read, yeah? Okay. Next group, you are next. Now, the second group, you are going to assess them, yeah, Daniel? Assess them, their posture.
In our poster, we can see plants that grows in the Paktala. The first picture, one flute. There are 35 species of one tulip in Kazakhstan. Tulips are endangered to mountainous areas with temperate climates.
Yeah, you are right. Very good information about that they are endangered animals. Plants, yeah?
Tulips from Central Asia. And that is from Spain and Portugal.
Yeah.
Tulips small is in size, running height from 3 to 8 inches.
Next picture is
Very important information that the tulips are from Asia, yeah? Yeah, Ali. This flower is from Asia. Okay, Daniel.
next picture about saffron trees.
The central page inside from
Help? Right.
small tree to
Okay, right. Read loudly, huh?
It has a brown snout. The wood is heavy and coarse, and the bark is spongy and water-soaked.
Okay, you are right.
Next picture is a cutting grows well in sun because it has deep roots. One meter from plant's main root is more than 50 meters long.
Okay, what kind of animal like this plant? What animal? Yeah, you are right, camel. Yeah, camels like this plant. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. Please, you must put your mark here. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to ask questions according to the text. First group, yeah? First group, you will ask at first. You will hands up, yeah? Then you are going to take your points or cards, yeah? Let's start. Please, the first question from your group. Anyone? Are you ready? 2 questions? Or you have any time?
Okay.
Any question according to the text, not just animals or plants, yeah? All according to the old text, yeah?
Our focus, right?
Ready? You are ready?
Yes.
Okay, then start.
The first question is, where is located the Pakdala?
Okay, location of Betbaktala. Right.
It's located in south of
Yeah, you are right. Location, it's located in the south of Kazakhstan. Next question. Okay, the second group will ask with their questions, yeah? With Dani.
Where is located the Pakdala?
Yeah, location of Betbaktala. Right.
It's located in south of
Yeah, you are right. It's located in the south of Kazakhstan. Next question. Yeah, Dani, Irina.
What is the highest point of Betbaktala?
Yeah, what is the highest point of Betbaktala? The highest point, exact. The highest point. Yeah, Alihan, Lujan.
The highest point is Mountain Jambul, 974
Meters. Yeah, you are right. Very good. Next question. Next question. Ali.
What is the average temperature of the Pakdala in summer and winter?
Okay, in summer and the winter, average temperature. Average temperature, Ruja, in winter.
In winter, minus 40.
Yeah, 40 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and in summer,
2060.
plus or minus. Yeah, 26 degree. Yeah, of degree Celsius. Sit down. Thank you. Next question. Do you have?
Yes. How much square kilometer area of the Pakdala?
The area of Betbaktala. Yeah, the area of Betbaktala. Alihan, the area.
75,000 kilometers.
Yeah, you are right. Don't worry, hands up and answer please. Next, your question, right? Your questions to these groups. Do you have questions?
Why did they strategically sow the grass?
Yeah. Why did they step carefully? These tourists, yeah? Why do tourists step carefully in deserts?
Because
Mhm.
can I ask? Because Serek said that there were snakes.
Yeah, there was a lot of snakes, yeah? Snakes. Thank you. Very good question. And the next question. Do you have? Aruzhan? Okay, are you ready with your question? Please, Darima.
Why two British friends doesn't want to come back home?
Why British friends don't want to come back to home? Yeah? Boys? Have you found the answer? Okay, you don't know, yeah? Maybe they liked it, yeah? They liked Betbaktala.
Because I think there are don't want come back to home because the Pakdala is very peaceful and quiet
Yeah.
place.
Please, yeah? Is he right?
Yes.
Yes.
Next question. What country does its size look like? Like Scotland?
Likes what?
Scotland.
Okay, you are right? Is she right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for your questions. And do you have any question?
Yes.
Continue.
If you listen our additional information, it is from additional information. How many saiga antelopes live there?
Yeah. How many saiga
Antelopes
live there? How many? Any numbers? Yeah? It means that you didn't listen them, yeah? Okay, tell yourself.
They live 100 to 20,000 cyclones.
Okay, that's all, yeah?
Next question.
Mm-hmm.
Why are animals of Big Bagdala critically endangered?
Mm-hmm.
Because humans hunt them.
Yeah, because humans hunt them, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
But try to work with your group, yeah? You could divide these questions according to your groups, yeah? That's all? Do you have any questions? No? Okay, let's start. Now, as you see in this text, you have blue words, yeah? These blue words are adverbs. Find from the text according to this structure: adverb plus verb, adverb plus adjective, adverb plus adverb. Now I'll give you worksheets here. You are going to fill it. The first class, just first class, yeah? Find from the text blue phrases and fill these gaps according to the scheme on the active word. Adverb plus verb, adverb plus adjective, adverb plus adverb. Here, you can write here. Okay, your time is up. Let's check your worksheets and give your points to these posters. The first group, Danica, please.
I like the poster and I'll give you 10 points.
Yeah. Next, you about posters, about their posters.
The poster of our group is very good. It's very in the poster many information.
Yeah.
And I like the posters. I will give them 10 points.
Okay, thank you. Next, Nuray, Aruzhan, please give points to them.
The letter was well good. They have information not from the text in the other
Resources. Okay, thank you. And you give how many points? 10 points, yeah, thank you. Now, Lina, collect your worksheets and give them. Please, Darina, your worksheets here. Write your name and surname, yeah? Collect. Right, collect. Please check these works. Okay. Ulshan, give points there, yeah? Their work. Yeah, I know. Rina.
I will give you 9 points.
9 points, yeah, Rina. Damir. Damir, где? Darina.
I'll give you 10 points.
Yeah. Alem, Bigzat. 10 points, okay?
Alem is 7 points.
7 points, okay. Now, you give marks to this group. Rina, please.
I give right 10 points.
10 points, next.
I will give to your still 9 points.
Daniel, 10 points. Aruzhan,
9 points, yeah? Aruzhan, 9 points. Next, Darila. Где Дарила?
10 points.
Ulshan. Yeah, Ulshan. Yeah, Bigzat. 9. Arikhan. 10 points, yeah? Okay. Now I give stickers. Please write your opinion about today's lesson. It's self-assessment. How do you understand today's lesson? Yeah? Write and please stick to traffic light. Ана жерде қаласында егер 4 ұнаса түсінсеңдер 3 одан кішірек, 2 кішірек, 1 одан да түсінірек. Тезірек. Тапсырды, что не жасыңды, тапсыр.
К этому
Аласың. Okay, take your place. Thank you. Okay, our lesson is over. Thank you for your participation. Your home task is retell the text about the Bagdala. And thank you. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.